There's this particular visa that everybody's talking about now concerning Australia. I know that things are really a bit difficult for migration to Australia recently, and this is what people are coming up with. But I want to sound a good warning, especially for lots of you guys who are following me, to be careful about this particular visa, because as I speak to you right now, there are lots of, in quotes, some funny companies who are out there promising people that they're going to give them jobs, they're going to do this, they're going to do that, and people are falling prey to that. Now, let me tell you the truth. Australian migration does not work that way. Now, I want to correct something to you guys. I'm not an Australian immigration agent, neither am I certified as an agent, but there's something I really do here. I educate people about Australian migration, which is very important. Educating you is different from being an agent. So next time, try to understand that. Now, let's talk about the 482 visa. This 482 visa has been convincing a lot of people. As a matter of fact, most people have spent their money and dashed it to some people online in the name of the trying to come to Australia. All right. So, what is 482 visa? 482 visa is a visa in the layman term that simply says that as an Australian, it is a visa that allows Australian companies to be able to sponsor people to come to Australia and live in Australia. This visa has a span duration of up to 4 years. Okay, and then they just reduce the work experience for this particular visa to like to at least 1 year. So if you have a 1 year experience, your employer can qualify you. The most important thing about this visa that I guess people should be asking questions about is to be able to actually go and check the occupational list for this particular visa type and see if their occupation is on that priority list for 482 visa. Now remember, there's not something like you have to do probably a skill assessment which is compulsory for this particular visa. It's not compulsory anyway, but it depends on the employer. But the most important thing again that you will have to begin to inquire is, how can I be able to find the places where I can be able to apply or find those kind of places? And in the past, we have had so many different occupations, mostly engineering, nurses, chef, carpentry. We have a lot of things that have to do with statisticians. I'm looking at it on the computer here, and we have other ones like the civil engineering. If you're in the engineering sector, really good. All right, even people in the medical sector as well. So it's really like very core occupations, might not be for everybody. However, the most important thing, as I said earlier on, is to be able to ask yourself, where can I be able to find these particular employers? Let me tell you guys the truth. I could share numerous inboxes that I have gotten so far. People are getting jobs from different places, especially in Nigeria. I spoke with people are getting jobs, especially recently. So this is very important that you go and check out the list and be able to go to platforms like seek.com. Seek.com is on this. Seek.com will gonna help you. Another one is go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is really good. And then go to Google and click on sponsorship jobs for Australia. If you're a nurse, you're gonna click on nurse sponsorship jobs in Australia. You're gonna go to those sites I listed: LinkedIn, Seek.com, Jura.com. So these particular 2 or 3 of them are the ones that I know that can go a long way to help you. Don't just when you hop into those places, hop in, number 1. Number 2, go into the website. Number 3, find the HR contact or find a way to contact them. Send an email directly to the company that you want to apply for and discuss with them extensively. To know even if they are asking you to actually do probably a skill assessment or what they will require from you.